Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2019 Infiniti Q50 all-wheel drive that we have for sale. This is a 3.0 Lux model. Only 3,738 miles, local, one owner, clean Carfax. We acquired this from Infiniti Financial Services. Maybe an early lease turn-in would be my guess. Sometimes if you're in the military and you get deployed, Infiniti has a special deal. If you have a lease, you can turn it in early. That would probably be my guess, something like that. Or maybe someone just decided to trade it in early and wanted something else. Sometimes that happens with luxury vehicles. But local, one owner, clean Carfax, 3,738 miles, and we're selling it as Infiniti certified pre-owned, so you get all the benefits you normally would with a brand new Infiniti. Roadside assistance, trip interruption, complimentary Infiniti loaner cars, and a 6-year, 75,000 mile certified warranty that covers about 1,400 components. You can only get a certified pre-owned Infiniti from a new Infiniti store like us. This one is very nicely equipped with features, power front seats, beautiful leatherette interior. You have this really nice wood trim throughout, this elegant contrast stitching with synthetic leather on the dashboard. 2019 is a great year for the Q50 because 2018 it got a exterior and interior refresh, looking better than ever. This has a 7-speed automatic transmission with adaptive shift control. Adaptive shift control momentarily holds the current gear for better acceleration out of a turn or corner, or when accelerating up a hill. There's a manual shift mode. You pull the shifter back to the left, you push up to upshift, back to downshift, providing rev matched downshifts for a sportier sound and feel. The Q50 is actually one of the first vehicles of its kind to have a dual display system. The top screen is for Bluetooth connectivity, clock, parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. Nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. We had a new design for 2018. Wonderful sounding audio system. This one also features all-season floor mats as well as the original carpeted floor mats. Not too many changes for 2020, so if you like the options and color combination, this is a really great value for a 2019 model. In nearly new condition. It actually still has that new car smell with only about 3,700 miles on it. Beautiful color combination in Hagane blue on graphite. Hagane is steel blue, which makes sense because Hagane means steel in Japanese. Even though the Q50 is considered a compact vehicle, it doesn't necessarily feel compact in the inside. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height. Still have a good amount of room back here. The Q50 is available in either rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. This is the all-wheel drive model. Perfect for the wet, slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest. With 300 horsepower, that all-wheel drive system will help put that power to the ground in the most efficient manner. When it's wet and you have a powerful vehicle, when you put too much power to the ground, the wheels are going to get overwhelmed. The traction control system is going to kick in and that's going to reduce your performance. But with all-wheel drive, having the ability to put the power to up to 4 wheels, it really enhances your wet weather performance. This thing just grips and goes. And if you're going to drive in the snow, you're going to do far better with all-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive. There are the all-season mats. Dual exhaust system for a sportier stance. You have an underbody diffuser right here as well. The Infiniti engineers go to great lengths to reduce a high-speed lift on these vehicles, so they do a lot of aerodynamic tricks to improve high-speed stability. "18-inch alloy wheels. LED headlights provide outstanding nighttime visibility." Really is a gorgeous vehicle. Look at that nice front end. Very curvaceous, beautiful styling, quite unlike anything else on the road. The heart of the Q50 is this VR30 twin turbo engine with direct injection, makes 300 horsepower. This Q50 is also backed by a 5-day, 100% money back guarantee. Thanks for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful